So I thought I'd do an update. I guess this is kind of turning into a dev uh, blog to try and, I guess, get me to finish this thing, right? So I've got I had some problems with obviously got the light baking working, but I initially had some problems, and it was partly because the geometry in one of these set of lights was what I would call dirty, where had unnecessary extra points, duplicate faces, all that sort of stuff. So I ran out to the cleanup in Modo. Modo's great at doing that. It doesn't. I think it's well. I've yet to find a Blender add-on that does it as well as Modo, so I tend to just run it through Modo to clean up geometry, and that fixed normals and everything, and now that all works great. Well, in the baking. So I guess, and also what I did is change the menu so we go straight in. So let me start the demo. So the whole point of this demo was to just kind of, I guess, showcase my modeling skills in like a shareable web link, so whoever wouldn't have to install anything, and they can either play it in their browser or put it on the Quest. If we're targeting mobile devices, then there's only so much geometry I can put in here, and you can see, I could do with some bevel and stuff. Either that, or fake it with like the smooth shader. And if the problem is none of this is UV wrapped for textures. It's unwrapped for the light mapping, but not for the textures. And I really just wanted to do the leather stuff. Anything black, I think I was going to unwrap, and then I could put like a high frequency texture on it to get like scratches or leather crinkles or whatever to give it that more high fidelity look. But the actual white surfaces, I was hoping I could just get away with leaving it. But seeing this, it's like, oh, we need to put bevels. So we've got bevels here. The problem with bevels is, obviously this is going to go on mobile stuff. We might be maxing out the limit. I don't know what the limit is on mobile. So yeah, it was I thought, well, let's just do the lights, some basic texturing, maybe unwrap the chairs, do the crinkly, and then see how it looks, and then do a build out to WebGL and see if it can handle it. If it can handle it, then go in and do bevels on stuff. Also, maybe do like a ambient occlusion bake, perhaps. Although that might have to be into the vertex as opposed to, again, I want to try. Well, it's sort of two minds. I mean, I really should just bite the bullet and unwrap everything. But you can see that would be quite a mammoth undertaking. But anyway, I think I'll stop the video there. But yeah, I'm quite, I'm glad I figured out how to do the light mapping. I just need to figure out reflection probes for the glass down here. And some of these normals are a bit weird. On the problem is this asset's been in and out of Modo, Blender, and Maya. So the final version that I got, I can't remember whether if this has been converted, and that's maybe where some of the dodginess has crept in. You see some of this maybe do more subdivision on this. I was thinking about adding the climbing thing, and we have to remove the light in there because it could be cool to be able to climb up it and go through the little hole at the top there. Yeah, I'm going to stop the video there, but do that.